So today I went out shopping to get a few things to put on the display unit. So I needed some sort of things that just looked nice, decoration items around the house, I suppose, vases. So I was really drawn into porcelain items on the shelves of Ikea. I've been collecting from here, there and everywhere, and I had been in Ikea and I saw these new style vases had come in. And there was two of them and I thought they looked nice together, so one smaller and one larger. So you can see that from the other side. So one's a slightly darker green and the other one is more brighter. So this is where the vases hopefully will go, in one of these nooks. So I didn't like this. I was just kind of filling this space with this yellow candle that I got as a gift. And this vase that I have, a donut hole vase. So I'm hoping these will look nice in that space. This next vase is also from Ikea. I think they brought in a few new designs. At least I haven't seen this one anyway. And I got this mini one that was a similar design. So both of them have ribbing around the side. And I thought they looked nice next to each other as well. So I got two of those. And then they brought in yet another new item. It's a glass pumpkin for their autumn seasonal wear, I suppose. It's a see-through dark pumpkin and I thought it matched with the brown glass candle holders that I've got already placed on top of the display unit. And I thought it looks really nice next to that big jug that I got from Home Bargain. So I've been hearing a lot about rosemary oil for your hair, that it's really good. And I've been meaning to use oil just because I've been told recently that the skin on your scalp also counts as skin that needs to be moisturized. And I never really thought of my hair or head as something that needs moisturization. I've always just kind of washed it with shampoo, conditioned it, and that was the end of it. But when I heard of this rosemary oil that you can just use a double boiler, add some olive oil, not anything like coconut oil because it can clog up your pores apparently, pores on your scalp, that is. So I've got some olive oil and I'm going to add a little bit of castor oil to this, not a lot because it can be thick and gloopy. However, it does help your hair to grow. So I've got this olive oil, to which I'm just chopping up some fresh rosemary, and I'm using a double boiler method to heat up the oil very mildly, so that the olive oil and the rosemary can mix in, and the essence of the rosemary can be mixed into the olive oil. So when I apply it onto my scalp, I'll get the goodness of the rosemary applied onto my skin. So this is what the castor oil looks like. You can see it's very viscous, so it pours a lot slower because of its thickness. And I'm just going to add a little bit of it, nothing measured, just a little bit. So this is it after maybe half an hour or so. So you're supposed to keep it on low and slow for a while until the olive oil turns a bright green. So I hope you give that a try yourself. Or at least do something to moisturize the skin on your head because it's really important. You have a good day and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.